One of the most important features of Astodi is that it can upload your files to stock agencies with all the required metadata with just one click. In this video, I will show you how can you do it easily. First of all, you have to connect the stock sites where you have been already registered to Astodi. To do this, just click the plus icon beside Stocks here in the sidebar. Then select the stock agency from the drop-down menu and type in your FTP username and password. After clicking Add, the stock site will be added to your Astodi account. Now you have to fill all the attributes required by the stock agencies. In the Stock tab of the editor window, you can see the attributes expected by your connected stock agencies. Below the fields, a red note warns you if any is missing. Tick the name of a stock agency and start upload here in the toolbar. If you want to check its status, you can do it here, Upload in Progress, in the sidebar. Repeat this with all the files you want to upload. So now your files with all the required metadata will be automatically uploaded as a CSV file will be generated and uploaded to the selected stock sites. However, there are some stock agencies who do not accept this automatic CSV uploads. But don't panic, we have the solution. Now you can select your files in the file browser and click the download icon here in the toolbar. Now you just have to select the desired stock site from the drop-down menu and click download. Now you have the CSV file and you can upload it manually directly to the selected stock site. Of course, you can connect custom FTP servers too. To do this, select Custom from the drop-down menu, fill in the required fields and the FTP server will be added to your upload locations. Astodi, be organized, be efficient.